Now in this question we are asked to calculate the concentration of a solution. And we know the concentration of a solution is given as mole per liter, that would be the unit, or we have the amount of moles, mole per volume. And in this case, what we need to find out is first we need to calculate the amount of moles that we have, and then we need to figure out what is our volume. So let's calculate the moles first. So we've got the moles. Let's calculate that. Do we have moles anywhere? Yes, we've got moles here in our molecular mass. So we can write this as mole over 280.38 grams. So 1 mole is the equivalent of 280.38 grams. Now the moles are in the right position. We just now need to get rid of the gram, and like in the previous problem, we can just simply multiply by grams. So 15.74 grams. Now the grams cancel out, and what's left is the unit mole, and that is what we wanted. So we can write this as 15.74 over 280.38, and the unit would be mole. Now we just simply put that in the calculator. So 15.74, and that gives us 0.056 mole. So 0.56 mole. 0.056 mole. So we've got the mole, and now we need to figure out the volume that we have. And we've got 102.14 milliliter. So we can write this volume. Volume is 102.14 milliliter, which would be the equivalent of 0.10214 liter. And now we can put them together. We can put together mole per liter equals 0.056 mole over 0.10214 liter, and that gives us the unit mole per liter. And what we need to do is put that into the calculator. So here we've got the last value that we calculated. Let me quickly go back. That was this one here, that was the mole. Now we divide it by 0.1, let me check, 0.10214, 0.10214, and we get 0.45496. So we can convert that. Let's write that down. Equals 0.549. What was it? I can't remember. 549619. 54619 mole per liter. Or we can move the decimal 3 places, and that would give us the concentration in millimole per liter. So we would have 546.19 millimole per liter. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you for watching.